Getting a new app usually means dealing with friction. You have to remember passwords, clear storage space, and wait for a long download. There is a more direct route. Progressive web applications live on the internet, which means you can access them instantly without ever visiting an app store. We use this method for the Sense Health Equity Navigator. Even though you aren't downloading it from a marketplace, the platform will work and feel exactly like a native mobile app. By removing the App Store's technical hurdles, we ensure health tools are available to everyone immediately. To start, open your phone's main web browser. Avoid using links that open inside other apps like Facebook or Instagram, as those can limit the platform's features. You should use a standard browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge to ensure the setup is secure. In your browser's address bar, type www.sensehealth.com and tap Enter. You will know you have arrived when you see the main headline and the buttons to see how the system works. Accessing the hub through your native browser is the first step in creating a persistent connection to the platform. Once the page loads, look for the sign-in area at the top right of the screen. If you are new to the platform, you will need to select the option to sign up and create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password that is at least 8 characters long. After you submit your details, the system will ask for a verification code. Keep your browser window open. Simply switch over to your email app to find the code we just sent you. In your inbox, look for a message containing a 6-digit code like the one shown here. Return to your browser and type that code into the boxes to activate your account. This verification step confirms that you are the only one who can access your account, keeping your health information private and secure. Once you are logged in, you will see your personalized dashboard. To make the platform easier to find later, we can place a permanent icon for it right on your phone's home screen. For Android users, the process is quick. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Add to Home Screen. If you are using an iPhone, you will use the Safari menu at the bottom. Tap the Share icon. It looks like a square with an upward arrow. Then scroll down and tap Add to Home Screen. When you go back to your main screen, the Sense icon will be there alongside your other apps. This sequence of menu options allows the web platform to live on your device permanently, giving you the same experience as a standard mobile app. From now on, you can open the platform with a single tap. There are no more long downloads or storage warnings. Because you bypassed the App Store, you won't have to worry about forced updates or managing extra storage space on your phone. This direct connection gives you a highly reliable way to access local health resources whenever you need them. If the icon ever disappears, just visit sensehealth.com in your browser to add it back, or speak with your administrator for help. We believe critical health tools should be easy to reach. By setting up this shortcut, you ensure support is always just one tap away.